Hi everybody, Victoria here. It was lovely to see some of you just now in our sleek online live ballet class. It was a popular class this morning. We took a great barre to warm up, and then the centre sequence you requested a little tutorial of. It's a nice classical dancey sequence, some moments of challenge in there. I thought I'd break it down and we'll run through it a few times here today. We're going to start in a fifth position without any music. Take a breath of the arms in a quasi alignment, meaning foot crossed, arms down in bras barre. We're going to step onto our front leg to find a fifth. Lock the back leg towards the front. Squeeze those inner thighs, knees and calves together. Let's practice that one more time. So squeeze, ton-lié, joining the legs and arms in one. Let's try again. Step up for two and hold. Good. Just practicing the first movement. Hold it and squeeze. Our second movement is a retiré to développé. Let's just practice the first half, drawing the toe to the knee. Find that second of balance as you move from two legs to one. Good. Eventually this becomes a release and we're going to move on to a balancé. So développé, release to the front with a little change of direction, then into a standard waltzing balancé step onto our front leg, back, front. Back, front. Always placing the traveling leg behind the supporting leg, sweeping high and sweeping low, getting that body action going as well. Third step, we're going to extend our back leg to the front, arms to third. Join the legs in fifth position, arms in first, little swivel turn or soutenu, drop onto your back leg. Again, join, little swivel turn or soutenu, and this time we drop onto our front leg. Taking the arms up towards the back corner, we're going to take a picked up pas de bourrée. Change your direction. So back corner to back corner. Good, let's just try that a couple more times. Pick, pick and drop. If it's confusing, take the arms out to begin with. If you can, add the arms, they match the corner and direction. Good, from here, drawing back up into your fifth, little bourrée action, transferring front, back, really working the legs. Turn towards your upstage shoulder, little bourrée turn. Dropping onto our front leg and simultaneously circle the arms all the way around. And again, follow the direction of the fingers up to your back corner. Little bourrée turn, working those legs hard, then stepping back with a simultaneous port de bras to the open the arms and prepare to step forward. Let's just practice that ton-lié position and down. In our sequence, we'll just take this ton-lié once, but I want you to get that feeling of zipping the legs up, locking them together and step back. Again, squeeze and hold. That's it, and step back. Final time, squeeze and hold, locking the thighs, ankles, knees and calves together. Little transfer from two legs to one, lift and down. Just a test of the balance for a moment. If you can get it here, you know you'll be able to get it for the release and balancé. Onto your front leg and sweep back. So this action is just a transfer waltz. Step, back and front. The leg closing, always behind. Getting that sweep in the body to work the waist, all the way up, all the way down. Extending your back leg to the front. We're going to join the arms and legs in fifth. The foot comes to the front. It swivels and becomes your back leg. Drop onto your back leg, extend the front. Close your back leg to the front. It swivels to become your back leg. And we drop onto the front. Picked up pas de bourrée. Change. Up. Good. In our sequence, we'll just take this 3 times, but can you get that lilting bend again? If it feels too tough, too complicated, take the arms out. Final one, drop onto that front leg, arms go back. We're going to sweep everything up to fifth. Again, bourrée towards our back shoulder. Sweep the arms to the front as you drop onto the front leg. Circle them towards the back. Bourrée turn towards your back shoulder. Again, step back and prepare. Back to our original side. Good. A little recap. 1 ton-lié within the sequence we'll take. 1 retiré développé and 2 balancé, 1 front, 1 back. 2 soutenus, crossing the feet and swivel turn to drop. 3 picked up pas de bourrées to change our direction. Then always turning towards our back shoulder for the bourrée, towards our back corner for the bourrée travel, towards our back shoulder for the turn, and prepare on our second side. Let's add some music. Let's have a go. Practice. Press pause if you need. Let's do it. From our fifth position, breathing arms, step forward, step up for 1. Release the leg, open développé, travel forward, travel back, extend the arm and leg, soutenu turn, drop, soutenu turn, onto the front leg, lift, lift, drop. Third one, burrow to your back shoulder, drop onto your front leg and travel. Take the turn to your back shoulder and stepping back to prepare. On our second side, tonnier forward in 1. 1. Release the arm and leg for 2. Step onto it, step back. 2 soutenu turns. Lock it in and swivel. Drop, pick, pick, drop, pick, pick. Third one. Barre turn. Drop onto your front leg and travel to your back leg. Swivel turn. Let's try once more each side. Step up in 1. Lock the legs. Release toe to knee and out. Balance it forward and back. Soutenu turn. Drop. Lift. 3 times toe to knee. Last one to your back shoulder. Onto your front leg, big sweep to the corner. Barre. Step back. To our preparatory position, final time. Step forward in 1. Step up. Release and open to corner. 2 soutenu. Drop. Lift. And turn. Big circle. To travel back, turn to your back corner and prepare. Step back to finish. Good. Let's try that again 4 times from the top. From our fifth position, breathing arms, step forward, step up for 1. Release the leg, open développé, travel forward, travel back, extend the arm and leg, soutenu turn, drop, soutenu turn, onto the front leg, lift, lift, drop. Third one, burrow to your back shoulder, drop onto your front leg and travel. Take the turn to your back shoulder and stepping back to prepare. On our second side, tonnier forward in 1. 1. Release the arm and leg for 2. Step onto it, step back. 2 soutenu turns. Lock it in and swivel. Drop, pick, pick, drop, pick, pick. Third one. Barre turn. Drop onto your front leg and travel to your back leg. Swivel turn. Let's try once more each side. Step up in 1. Lock the legs. Release toe to knee and out. Balance it forward and back. Soutenu turn. Drop. Lift. 3 times toe to knee. Last one to your back shoulder. Onto your front leg, big sweep to the corner. Barre. Step back. To our preparatory position, final time. Step forward in 1. Step up. Release and open to corner. 2 soutenu. Drop. Lift. And turn. Big circle. To travel back, turn to your back corner and prepare. Step back to finish. Good. Have a little stretch out of those calves. Come and join me for the full class over on our sleepballetfitness.com site and Sleep Ballet Fitness app. Lovely to see you in live class too, ladies. We'll see you soon.